Kuala Lumpur, where colonial heritage meets Islamic architecture, and the Petronas Tower still holds secrets most visitors walk right past. Group tours that snap a photo at the towers and rush off. A guide skipping Jamek Mosque, the very spot where the city was born. Kuala Lumpur deserves more than a checklist. Uvamai's self-guided audio tour puts Kuala Lumpur entirely in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play and a warm, expert voice walks you through the city at your own rhythm. No rushing, no group, no rigid schedule. Stand beneath the Petronas Towers and hear the story of the construction rivalry that built the world's tallest buildings. Walk through Jamek Mosque, where the city was founded at the meeting of two rivers. Wander Chinatown's Pedaling Street. Explore the Islamic Arts Museum's 1,400 years of treasures. 14 landmarks, each one brought to life one story at a time. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Kuala Lumpur, not just photograph it. Available in multiple languages. Real stories. Real freedom. Real discovery. $6. 14 Kuala Lumpur landmarks. The real story of Malaysia's dynamic capital. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.